I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an inspection report with myInspections. We'll start by adding a property. You can choose the inspection type or make your own. For this demo, I'll do a routine inspection. I'm going to inspect the lounge. You can use a preloaded checklist, create your own, or build one as you go. I like to go through the checklist before I take any photos. Next, I'll take some photos to record the condition of the room. And if you spot an issue, it's a good idea to take a close-up. Here, I've noticed a crack in the plasterboard, so I'll take a picture of that. You can mark issues directly in your checklist and add notes. I will also assign a task to do for the maintenance team. I'll also add a general note about the tidiness of the room. Once you're done with the room, just tap Save and Continue. I'll finish the report up here, but you can inspect as many rooms as you like. Take a moment to review the report and add any final comments, then continue. Finally, you add people to the report, starting with yourself, and then anyone else who needs access. Reports are uploaded to our servers, then you can either take signatures there on site or remotely later. From a detailed inspection to a signed report in minutes, all with myInspections. Start your free trial today.